Let's make a passion fruit martini. Get into it. First, you need some passion fruit. How often do you see those? You'll find them. Just go to different grocery stores until you find one. Then, let's get some simple syrup. Time to muddle it together, baby. Get that little muddler and just start muddling, like put it in together and start muddling, moving around real quick like that. And ice, so it can be nice and chilly and cool. And the best parts, vodka and triple sec. Oh yeah, because what's a drink without the liquor? And some lemon juice, so it can be a little tart. Boom, boom, shake 'em up, and pour. That looks good. And top it with a little passion fruit so they can know what's in it. They don't want to be like, what's in this? Taste it, go and taste it. You first, it's good. Oh yes, stay tipsy.